And this is how you park a manual car without using gears. Look at that. Neutral. Didn't even have to touch this shit. Just like that. Bow. And be a menace on this next block. Okay, baby girl. Okay. I see you.